Hello friends. This crow injured in wing I may be. Last 3 days I'm watching this crow. He can't fly, only walk and jump. He survived from the dog and other creatures, last 3 days. I'm coming here every day, feeding the food behind Gotila Garden. Beautiful place, but I found this crow. Last 3 days suffering. Can't walk. He can walk, but he can't fly. I just give them some biscuit. Maybe he will survive. Someday he will fly. Hope so. Pray the God. Thank you. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.